Welcome once again to Menalas TV, and this time around we are looking at square box multiplication trick. How to use the square box to solve multiples of numbers. So let's get going. Number 1, 2, 3 times 5. So the first set of numbers, there are 3-digit numbers there. So because of that, we need 3 squares. So our first square, second square, and the third square box. Then 1, 2, 3, putting the numbers there against 5. Now we divide the diagonals of the squares as well. So the first one, 5 times 3 will give us 15, 1, 5. Then 2 times 5 will give us 1, 0, 10. Then 5 times 1 will give you what? Only 5, so you put the 5 here. So what do we have? Looking at this, the first number here is 5. Then when you come to this side, we have 1 and 0. So when you add 1 to 0, we are getting 1 there. Then we come to this side too. 5 and 1 will give us 6, which means that 1, 2, 3 times 5, you are going to get 615. Another example. We have 6, 2, 4 times 6. 6, 2, 4 times 6. So the same way, for the first set of numbers, we have 3-digit numbers there. So the same way the squares have to come. You divide the diagonals as well. Good. So the first number 6, 2, 4 against 6. So your 6 is here. So let's see what we have. Now 4 times 6 will give us 24. So 2 and 4. 4, 2, that's it, 12. So 1, 2 here. And then 6 times 6, you are getting 36. Now the first number here is what? 4. Then 2 plus 2 will give you another 4. 1 plus 6, you are getting 7. We have 3 left there. So that means that 624 times 6, you are getting 3744. 3744. That is the answer. Let's go to example 3. Let's use 2-digit numbers. 2-digit numbers against 2-digit numbers. So we have 32 times 12. 32 times 12, how do we go about it? So the first set of numbers, we have 2 squares there. And then the second set of numbers, we also have what? 2 squares as well. So this is what we do. You divide this diagonal first, this diagonal as well, and then the last one too as well. So this is 3, 2, then 1, 2 here. 3, 2, and 1, 2. Now let's go. 1 times 2 will give you only 2, or 0, 2. Then 1 times 3, 0, 3. 2 times 2 will give you 4. So that's 4, and then 0 here, or 0, 4. Then 2 times 3, you are getting 6. That is 0, 6. Now let's consider the diagonals. Here we have 4 here. Then looking at the ones in this line, 2 plus 0 plus 6, you are getting 8. So the same way, 0 plus 3 plus 0, you are getting 3. We have 0 left there. So we put the 0 there as well. Or you can decide to leave it. So 32 times 12, you are going to get 384. So the answer is 384. Let's take another example. Example 4. Where you have 56 times 14. 56 times 14. Let's see how we go about this. 56 times 14. So the first set of numbers, there are 2 digits there. So the same way you have 2 square boxes against another 2 square box as well. So 5, 6, you have the 5 here and the 6 here as well. Then 14, 1 and 4. Now we divide the diagonals. This diagonal first, then from here throughout to this side, and then the last one as well. Now we take the multiplication from the top. 6 times 1 or 1 times 6 is the same as 0, 6. Then 1 times 5, you are getting 0, 5. Now I come to the last number here, 4. 4 times 6, you are getting 24. So 2, 4. Then 4 times 5, you are getting 20. So 0, 2, 0, excuse me. Pardon me. Then let's look at this. The last number here is 4. Now 6, 2, and 0, you have 8. 0, 5, 2, you have 7. And the last number there is 0. You can decide to write it or leave it. Now, when you have 56 times 14, you are going to get 784. So that is 784. I hope this trick is useful for us. Remember to subscribe to my channel, Menalize TV, for more updates.